tickets, please. We don't have them. I need to see your tickets.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but this ticket has expired.
Please, sir, we have nowhere else to go.
That's not my concern. You need to get off at the next stop.
Please.
Grandma, what will happen to us?
Get down at the next station! This is not a free train!
Let them stay. Hey.
Wait, what is this? Wait, let me see that photo.
Mom?
Mom,
My son.
I'm here now. I won't leave you again.
My family together again.